Designing professional presentations and scrollable web pages usually takes a lot of time, arranging slides, fine-tuning layouts, and searching for the right visuals. But imagine if one well-written prompt could do all of that for you. With Gamma AI and its built-in Nano Banana image models, you can instantly generate polished presentations and fully designed web pages with stunning visuals. In this video, I'll guide you step by step and show you exactly how to do it. To begin, open your web browser and search for the Gamma app. Click on the first result, gamma.app. Once the homepage opens, you'll notice that Gamma allows you to easily create presentations, websites, and other visual content. It uses AI to quickly turn your ideas into professional designs. If you're new, click on Start for free. If you already have an account, simply click Login. After signing in, you'll see the dashboard. On the left panel, you'll find options like templates, team settings, and additional tools. To start creating, click on Create New with AI. Gamma provides multiple ways to generate content. You can type a prompt, paste text, upload a file, or even use a URL. You can also choose pre-designed templates and customize them. For this tutorial, we'll select the easiest option, Generate from Prompt. Click on it, and you'll see a prompt input box. Enter the following prompt. Develop a polished and professionally designed presentation that clearly demonstrates how modern AI tools can efficiently create, enhance, and finalize presentations from beginning to end, ensuring clarity, consistency, and high visual quality throughout. After entering the prompt, you can see Classic Mode is selected. Leave the layout and other settings at their default values. Click on Generate Outline. Gamma will then start creating outline for presentation. You can choose the text content. Like I will choose Detailed. Gamma will then generate a 10-slide outline based on your prompt. Once you review and approve the outline, the next step is choosing a theme. Since we want a clean and professional appearance, select a minimal theme. Now comes the image model selection. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Gamma will begin creating your presentation in real time. Within moments, your slides will be ready with well-structured text, aligned visuals, and relevant diagrams. If you want to improve any image, simply click on it and enter a refinement prompt such as Improve readability, refine the wording, and enhance typography. Gamma will instantly show a before and after comparison. You'll notice that the updated version looks clearer, sharper, and easier to read. You can repeat this process for any slide. If an image doesn't generate properly, just click Retry, and Gamma will regenerate it automatically. To adjust the mood or appearance, go to the Agent section and enter a new prompt or select a preset option. For example, choosing brighter and more vibrant colors will refresh the image with a more vivid look. Once you're satisfied, your presentation is complete. With just a single prompt, you've created a fully polished, professional presentation. To share it, click Share and send the link to others. You can also export it in multiple formats, including PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or PNG. Let's export it as a PowerPoint file. The file will download instantly to your computer. Go back to the home page. Now let's create a web page using the same tool. The process is very similar. This time, enter the following prompt. Design a streamlined, scrollable web page that guides users on crafting effective prompts for generating higher quality AI outputs. Include sections on clarity, structure, context, tone, and iterative improvement. Ensure the layout is professional, easy to navigate, and visually cohesive from top to bottom. Click Generate, and Gamma will create a structured outline. Choose the concise text style for shorter, clearer content. For visuals, select a bright and colorful theme. Then click Generate. Within seconds, Gamma creates a complete web page with a clean layout and engaging visuals. The design looks modern, easy to read, and visually aligned with the topic. You can share it using a link or export it using the available options. And that's it. This completes our full walkthrough of the Gamma app with Nano Banana, showing how you can create professional presentations and web pages using simple prompts. If you'd like to try it yourself, you can find the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tutorials like this.